If you love quick meals, you owe it to a radar engineer from the 1940s. The microwave oven wasn't planned. It was a delicious accident. Here's how it happened. During World War II, scientists were perfecting radar using microwaves. Percy Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon, was testing a magnetron when he noticed the candy bar in his pocket had melted. Intrigued, he tried popcorn. It popped instantly. An egg? It exploded. Percy realized microwaves could cook food by making water molecules vibrate. Raytheon built the first microwave oven in 1947. It was huge and expensive. But over time it shrank. It got cheaper. It landed in kitchens everywhere, all thanks to a sweet accident. Hit subscribe for more surprising inventions.